Desperate, 83-year-old man struggles to survive daily as he's living in extremely poor conditions.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Lester Griffiths needs help. The 83-year-old man is living in poor conditions and has not been in contact with relatives for years, triggering severe depression and anxiety. The story never gets old, although the former St. Ann Municipal Corporation employee has been living below the poverty line for almost a decade. Walking down Main Street in St. Ann's Bay, the feeble elder said, "Me feel like I going to drop down. The foot can't go no more." He was breathing heavily, and what was supposed to be a 2-minute walk to his house from a community shop took forever. When he finally arrived and managed to push open the weathered gate, all his problems were evident. A styrofoam box with mildew water crackers rested by a worn-out mattress he had perched against the outside of the wooden rundown structure he calls home. His yard space was enveloped with debris, while termites inflicted great damage on the inside. His years me live here 30 years. One bad man try fight me for move, so him come to take the place, but people would not make him take it. Miss Bogle called me and give me this place. She dead now, so them try fight me for it. This house never look like what you seeing here now. It usually look after, but after me stop work, nobody help me take care of it. Me used to work at parish council and pay me bills, but now public service cut off the light. Me not owe public service no money, but them cut off my light, and me not have no water either, said Griffiths. He no longer receives a pension, and little help comes from residents in the community, where he canvasses begging food and money from strangers. He said that his days without food are unmatched. He shares 4 children with his wife, who he said has since lost her memory and would have no recollection of him. He is unsure of her whereabouts now. My wife, they're somewhere upon the hill there, gone to nothing. Them say she don't know nobody. I have about 4 children, but them is not here. 2 is in America and 2 live here in St. Ann's Bay. But you know, I am here, and if a man come and give me a money, me use it. Sometimes some people help me out. People from the community. I go for hot water sometimes a dumpling shop, or I go down to one restaurant and them help me out with food, the man said. Everything gone bad, you know. Nothing no nice again. Me broke. Me no have no money. Sometimes I want go and beg, and a man might give me a money and me can buy me something. I don't know if I can get some help now. I would like some help now, Griffiths said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. Teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.